Hey guys, welcome to the Paint with Lovejoy website. I just wanted to share some good news. I am partnering with Outschool.com, teaching live classes to young adults ages 10 to 16 years old. And it has been a lot of fun working with this age range. And I've got students all around the globe, quite a few in Australia and the UK and all over the United States. So here's a little sample of how the demo goes for some of my live Zoom classes. And there are multiple options. So if you've got some kids and you want something creative for them to do, please check these out. In 2023, I will be having weekly camps, 60-minute, 75-minute, and 90-minute different camps where we'll meet weekly and paint a new image. I also offer what they call flex camps where they're self-paced. You'll go at the paint when you want to, go at your own pace, and then you can email and ask any questions of me as you go through, and then I will review your final artwork and give feedback. And then I've also got a lot of solo classes on there, one-time stuff, just to kind of get into the groove, maybe check out my teaching style, but having a lot of fun. So if you've got some kids in that age range and you're looking for stuff this coming holiday or throughout the year, please check these out. I thoroughly enjoy teaching and inspiring people to get creative and to kind of find a nice little balance for themselves in this crazy busy world. So hopefully there is something for everybody on there. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me an email. And my last tip, no matter what you do, please take progress photos of your artwork. And that will help push you forward and help encourage you to continue your creative skills. So thanks for checking this out, and I look forward to seeing you in a class. Cheers.